In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Cash App to Cash App. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Before you start, make sure you have some cash in your Cash App balance. If you need to add funds, tap the Add Cash button and follow the prompts to load money from your linked bank account. To send money to someone, open Cash App and tap the dollar icon to enter the amount you want to send. Next, in the To field, enter the recipient's Cashtag, phone number, or email address. If you're sending to a friend, you can also select their contact from your phone's contact list. Once you've entered the amount and recipient, you can add an optional note for the payment. After everything is set, tap Pay and verify the transaction. Cash App may use Face ID, Touch ID, or your PIN to confirm the payment, depending on your settings. Once confirmed, the money will be sent instantly to the recipient's Cash App account. You can also receive money in the same way, making peer-to-peer payments simple and convenient. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.